Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to write a program that counts from 0 to 1000, and this program is a special one to thank you for allowing my channel to reach 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the support, so let's get started. Let's have a loop for integer count is equal to 0, count is less than or equal to 1000, and count plus plus. I'm going to have that bracket end here. Next, what we want to do is display the current count. Well, let's have some sort of a visual, like an arrow, like this, and then our count, and then a new line, like this. I'll show you what we meant here on the same line, but before we get to that part, let's see what we've got up to this point. So what that happened really quick, we've gotten all the numbers on this on a different line, which is not what we really want. We would like this to be replaced by a new count every time to give us that sort of a counter effect. So to do that, we can use the carriage return, which is \r. And we don't need the new line anyway, because what's going to happen is this will allow the next output to overwrite the previous one, keeping it on the same line. So let's see how that looks like. Okay, so it happened really, really quick. I might add a new line here to oh, I think my brain is looking at the count. Yeah, so now what we have is it happened really quick. We couldn't see it. And then it says, thank you for the 1000 subscribers. So this is where we want to introduce that short delay for visibility. So I'm going to write some code and then I'll talk about what it actually does. So this thread to sleep oh it was no. Well, let's say 5 milliseconds. We'd like it to pause. Okay, so what this line does is it introduces a pause of 5 milliseconds in the program's execution. This is achieved by the chrono library for handling time, and you can see that I've actually included it for handling time, and it represents the duration of 5 milliseconds in this case. Now, this delay is added to slow down the counting process to give us that sort of, to give us that visibility of having a counter, and it prevents numbers from changing too quickly for us to see. So let's compile and run. So that looks more like it. And you can sort of control the speed by changing the milliseconds, the number here. That's it. Once again, thank you so much for the 1000 subscribers, and I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next ones.